Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a rear door handle off a 2025 Mercedes Sprinter. This should be the same for most Sprinters. Some of the older ones, I believe like 2015 and previous, are slightly different. But for most new Sprinters, this will be the same. So first thing you do, open the door. And if you look here, there's a black plug which is in line with the handle or just a little bit above it. First thing you want to do is pull this out. And then if we look in here, you'll see a T20 screw. So I'm gonna grab my T20 screwdriver. Just gonna get a little flashlight going here. So here, come here. So can you see that in there? So there's that little T20 screw. So basically what I wanna do is get my screwdriver in there. Right, once I'm hooked up, I'm gonna come over to the other side. Basically, I want to hold the door handle open all the way and then screw the screw out. And these screws are basically fixed inside there, so you don't have to worry about pulling the screw all the way out. So just keep backing it out until it won't go anymore. And then at that point, if I let go of the handle should stay open like that. So now at this point, all I have to do is remove this back piece like that, grab the handle, pull back, and then out, just like that. And then now I'll take this gasket off because we're going to be wrapping this door. And then now that I've got the handle out, I'm going to go back in this hole to the screw. And I'm just going to screw this all the way in. And the reason that I'm doing that is because this will allow me to close the door after. So as I screw this in, there's a little metal latch that the handle hooks onto. So as I screw that in, you'll hear that click, and then now you're good to go. So now I can close the door, and if I want to reopen it, all I have to do is take my finger and pull that latch out. And that's basically going to act like the handle did. So got all done, release the latch, and now I can close this, we're good to go. And that's it.